What is up, everybody? Darren, Daily Driving Hoopties here. So, it's like 9:30 at night, which is just the perfect time to start working on cars, right? Yeah. But tonight, we're going to work on this POS. And I have the tops off, which means I'm inside. So, let's walk over here, and I will give you guys a little tour of what's going on. There's a Turbo 350 on the floor right there. So, I'm going to go ahead and switch to other side mode here. So, peace. I will see you on the other side. All right, so here we are on other side mode. This car is kind of a piece of shit. Yes, I said it. A piece of shit. Double beeps here. But anyways, here we are. That's where the heater core goes. Check out that interior. I got an interior on the table over here, guys. It seems as if the rats really enjoy that material. GMT 400, not so much. 1976 Corvette, very much. So, got to clean up some of the wires and all the vacuum lines because this car is a vacuum nightmare. And we're going to go ahead and put that thing in. So, I'm going to say my favorite word, which everybody knows, time-lapse time. And we're going to go ahead and get this thing going. And I'm going to try to get that thing snaked in there. I got to clean up the firewall. That way I can put a little bit of material. That way it buttons up. It's like a foam gasket thing. That way it just kind of seals your airbox. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing started, and I will see you guys soon. So here we are, Stingray 76. I'm about to put the heater box in. Got a nice boring time lapse for nothing here. So I'm going to put this thing back in, and let's go. So this is going to be fun. I'm looking forward to it, and this car will be one step closer to potentially driving. I really cannot wait to drive this thing. It's been a long time coming. I think this car really has been sitting. I forget what the guy said. I think they parked it in 1987 or 1989. So right around when I was born. And they took the carburetor off and put it on a Chevy van, allegedly, is what I was told. I'm guessing it was parked because of the bad freeze plugs that it had. And it was more than one, so that was fun. But I'm actually going to go through and change all the O-rings and everything. And I'm going to try to make the air conditioning on this thing work and everything. I mean, there's no reason not to, right? This thing is going to be so much fun. I got the new radio. It's back there. You can see it. It's got the MP3 thing, all that stuff. Got some new speakers that are going to go in. So this thing is going to be really fun. Really sorted Corvette. What is up, everybody? Darren Daily Driving Hoopties here. Just wanted to say thank you for watching the episode. We're back in California now. We're back on the C3 Vet. We got some content coming this weekend on this. So we just want to say thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Do what you want to do. Do what you feel is right. And keep watching. And I'm going to keep the content coming. C3 Vet. This motor is going in that car this weekend. I promise.